वालेकुम सर।
Anyone may convey the
वालेकुम सलाम सर।
message. Anyone may convey the message to Hamza Raza. Hamza Zia, sorry. He must write his ID.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम सर।
Walaikum Assalam.
सर शाहज़ैन मेमन की सर एलएमएस नहीं चाह रहा था सर, मैंने उसे सेंड किया था, आपने उसे क्या कहते हैं क्लास से निकाल दिया, वो ज्वाइन करना है।
किसको निकाल दिया?
शाहज़ैन मेमन।
किसको?
शाहज़ैब।
नहीं, मैंने किसी को नहीं निकाला भाई। तो खुद ही आउट हो गया होगा। So today our topic is equations. We are doing exercise 11.2, sorry, 1.2, page 13, exercise 1.2, and we are doing the equations. Solve the equations. Simple equations, these are the simple equations. So we are doing exercise 1.2 equations. Question number 1. Solve the equation. 2x plus 3x plus 5 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 30.
सर
जी
थोड़ा
बेटा।
कैमरा लेफ्ट पे करना
जी
सर, थोड़ा कैमरा लेफ्ट पे करना, क्लियर नहीं है ब्रो बोर्ड।
Okay. First of all, we will open the bracket. Two x plus 3x. 5 into 2x will be 10x. Minus 5 into 3 will be 15. Is equal to 30. Now simplify. 2x plus 3x will be 5x. 5x plus 10x will be 15x. Minus 15 will be shifted on the other side. So 30 plus 15. It will become 15x is equal to 45. X will be equal to 15 is being multiplied with x. So when 15 will be shifted on the other side, it will divide 45. When 15 will be shifted on the other side, it will divide 45. 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. So the answer is x is equal to 3. The answer is x is equal to 3. These two students, Hamza Zia and Muhammad Arifin, they must write their IDs. Otherwise, they will not be allowed to enter into the class. Muhammad Arifin. Question number 1 has been done. Now question number 2. Four x square. Here we are doing the simple equations, not the quadratic or other. We will do the simple equations. We are not using the quadratic formula, etc. Question number 2. 4x square plus 7x minus 2x into 2x minus 5 is equal to 17. Okay, we will open the brackets. 4x square plus 7x minus 2x is multiplied with 2x. It will become 4x square. Minus into minus will become plus. 2x into 5 will be 10x is equal to 17. Now we'll simplify this one. Plus 4x square minus 4x square will be 0. Plus 4x square minus 4x square will be 0. So that is 0. Finish. 7x plus 10x will be 17x is equal to 17. 17x is equal to 17. So x will be equal to 17 divided by 17. This 17. 17 ones are 17. So the answer is x is equal to 1. This is the answer. X is equal to 1 is the answer. Now we will do another question. Question number 3. Hasnain Hussain Nazim. Hussain Nazim.
हेलो
जी
सर।
जी कहिए।
सर मैं ये पूछ रहा था, जब ये नंबर ऐड्स होते हैं तो इनकी पावर्स भी ऐड होती हैं?
नहीं पावर
यहाँ
नहीं,
पे तो नहीं हो रहा।
नहीं पावर नहीं ऐड
अच्छा
होगा करती बेटा,
सर, वो कब होती हैं?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन में।
ओके सर, ओके सर।
Okay. I have shared the picture of the exercise, but you must purchase the book. All the students must purchase the book, and this book specially, which we are doing, Teresa Bradley, Essential Mathematics for Economics and Business by Teresa Bradley. You must purchase this book and a calculator, scientific calculator. These two things must be with you when you are entering into the class. Scientific calculator and this book, Essential Mathematics. Now we are doing question number 3. Question number 3. X minus 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. One 3031. So this is there are two factors. X minus 2 is being multiplied with x plus 4. And the answer is 0. X minus 2 is being multiplied with x plus 4 and the answer is 0. When two factors are being multiplied and giving the answer 0, so answer 0 will come when one of them is 0. Otherwise, in the multiplication, never you will get 0. If you are getting 0, it means one of them is 0. Either this one is 0 or that one is 0. When the product of two numbers is equal to 0, it means one of them is 0. One of them is 0. So when it is equal to 0, we will suppose that x minus 2 equal to 0. Either x minus 2 equal to 0, that means x is equal to, that means x is equal to minus 2 will be shifted on the other side. So 0 plus 2, it will become x is equal to 2. So when the answer of the two product is equal to 0, it means either this equal to 0 or this one equal to 0. So first we suppose either x minus 2 equal to 0, so x is equal to 2, or x plus 4 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 minus 4, x is equal to minus 4. So there are two answers. Answers x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 4. So these are the two answers. So this is only when this on the right side is equal to 0, not any other number. If there is some number, you can't write either this one equal to that or that one equal to that, not at all. Only when there is 0. Then you will suppose either this one equal to 0 or this one equal to 0.
सर अगर जीरो नहीं होता तो फिर
नहीं, फिर
मल्टीप्लिकेशन होती ना
मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके हम इसको उसी तरह सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं.
ओके सर
Now question number 4. ये सिर्फ उसी वक्त होगा जब on the right side you have 0. Then we can do only this one, either this one equal to 0 or this one equal to 0, not for any other number. Only for 0. Question number 4. X minus 2 into x plus 4 equal to 2x. On the right side is not equal to 0, so we can't say either x minus 2 equal to 2x or x plus 4 equal to 2x. No, only that condition will be used when on the right side is 0. Now we will open it. X is multiplied by this 2. X into x will be x square. X into 4 will be plus 4x. Minus 2 into x will be minus 2x. Minus 2 into 4 will be minus 8. Is equal to 2x. Simplify this one. X square. 4x minus 2x will be 2x. Minus 8. That 2x will be shifted on the other side. 2x plus 2x will come over there, minus 2x. And minus 8 will go on the right side. It will become plus 8. Now further simplify. X square plus 2x minus 2x will be 0. Equal to 8. X square is equal to 8. So x will be equal to, take the square root on both the sides. Plus minus under root 8. When x square is equal to 8, so we'll take the square root, so it will become x, and it will become, we will take the square root of 8, it will become plus minus under root 8. Plus minus under root 8 is a rational, irrational number, so we may make the factors. 8 is 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So we can find the square root of 4, that is 2. 2 will come outside and this 2 will remain inside the root. It will be remain under the, in the radical sign. This 2. And the square root of 4, 2 will become outside. Plus minus 2, that is the square root of 4. Outside 2. And this is that 2 irrational number. So the answer is plus minus 2 root 2. Plus minus 2 root 2.
सर ये 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 क्यों नहीं किया हमने?
जी
Five नहीं।
क्या?
सर ये जैसे हमने ये रूट पे 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 किया है,
हाँ,
तो ये 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 नहीं हो सकता था?
एक ही बात है बेटा। 2 मल्टीप्लाई 4 करो, 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करो, उसमें क्या फर्क हो गया?
सर जब हमने ये रूट लिया तो इसके साथ प्लस माइनस लगाना जरूरी है?
कि जब भी नंबर का किसी का
रूट
रूट
से
लेंगे
बाहर आता है तो
प्लस माइनस लगाना जरूरी है, रूट के बाहर, अंदर नहीं। ये जरूरी है बेटा।
ओके सर।
सर बट जैसे अभी हुआ भी है, जैसे आप बोल रहे कि वो सेम जैसे 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 भी कर सकते हैं।
हाँ हाँ,
तो
उससे
उससे
क्या,
तो
2 के बाहर 4 के बाहर आएगा ना 2। 2
बट रूट
मल्टीप्लाई
में
4
तो
करो, 4 मल्टीप्लाई 2 करो, 2 मल्टीप्लाई 4 करो, बात तो एक ही है ना बेटा। 8 आएगा ना उसका भी आंसर।
बट नीचे रूट में जैसे सेपरेट किया, ये कैसे होगा?
इसका रूट आ गया 2, ये नहीं रहा, आया सा ये अंदर रहा।
और इफ इस 8 रूट के जब 4 होता तो वो ऐसे ही 4 नीचे आ जाता ना सर?
जी
एक
4 आ
एग्जांपल
जाएगा।
दिखा दो।
ये 2 into 4 होगा तो भी यही आंसर होगा बेटा। इस 4 का स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा 2 और ये 2 अंदर रहेगा, इसका रूट आ जाएगा बाहर 2, इसका रूट आ गया 2 बाहर और ये 2 अंदर रहा। ये 4 into 2 हो या 2 into 4 हो, बात एक ही है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।